Huh?
You just don't have no place to go?
I don't have anywhere to go. Everywhere that I do go, people hate me. Because everything is just worthless and useless.
Yeah, well,
What?
if you need a ride someplace, I can take you, but...
What, just to be hated there too? I'm hated everywhere I go. Where the fuck am I supposed to go?
I don't know, sweetie. I hate to see you just sitting out here on the sidewalk like this, you know what I mean? That's not right. And I give you the shirt off my back. Yeah, that's just the kind of person I am. Life gets better, I promise.
Don't tell me that bullshit,
No,
please.
seriously, look.
Don't tell me that general ass bullshit that's supposed to pick people up because it's nothing but worthless ass cliches. But my life is nothing but a nightmare that will never get better. Just please don't fill me with that when you don't know the nightmares that I live.
I don't know.
Seriously.
I don't know what you've been through, but I can tell you, coming from personal experience, I put a pistol
I'm
in my
not
mouth.
you.
I
I'm
went
not
through
you,
treatment.
sir. I'm not you. I'm not you.
Okay.
Are you gang stopped? Well, don't make the comparison. Matter of fact, everybody acts like that. Oh God, they'll melt if they look at my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel shows what the fuck I am going through.
Is there anything I can do for you right now?
I don't even know. Because I mean, with everybody worshiping my ex and hate her today, and everybody made fun of her today. I mean, goddamn, what can be done? I can't even do shit for myself. And my daughter, she's 7. She's down in Georgia crying for me. But hell, how the hell am I supposed to get back to her when nobody helped me with shit? Everybody's too busy joining up with my ex to hate me and to make fun of me and treat me like I'm just nothing but a worthless nobody.
I don't hate you. I don't know you. And I can honestly say that I'm sorry that you're going through what you're going through. You believe in God?
Don't hand me God. I do believe in God, but that's not an excuse for me to sit there and feel better about the abuse I'm being handed.
I get you. I'm sorry. Just a question. Just a question. I do hope things get better for you and things work out.
That's no different than helping in the tooth fairy. It really isn't. Okay, you ants, can you carry that somewhere else? No, don't crawl over here to bite me, goddammit. God damn, I put the popcorn right there for you bitches to bite instead of biting me, and then you want to still crawl my way. Watch this. Somebody's gonna come by and be sympathetic. Oh, well, here's $5 payment for your abuse. That's how it's been for years. Every time after I get abused heavy, somebody comes over and hands me a goddamn $5 bill. If not $5, well, if not a $5 bill, 5 goddamn ones. Or maybe someone would like to be sneaky in their attack. 3 ones and $2 and change. Even stop by to hand me that cookie cutter ass shit. Golly jolly lollipops and all that fuck ass bullshit. Well, if you believe in rainbows, it'll be a magical day tomorrow. That type of fuck ass bullshit. People wonder why I curse so much. Look at what I get put through. My child needs me, and won't nobody help me. No one will team up with me, but everybody will team up with Michael. God fucking damn. It's 4:13 p.m., Tuesday, May 10th, 2016. please understand that I have feelings. Goddamn, I'm human. And don't try to feed me no goddamn sunshines and rainbows when all I get is acid rain. Don't say hi to me. Doing that stupid fuck ass non and grease shit. Fuck my life.